In today's video, we're diving into a topic that a lot of you have been asking about: how to upload and share longer videos on Facebook. If you've tired of those pesky 20-second limits and want to make the most of your video content, you're in the right place. So let's get started. First things first, let's talk about Facebook's video limits for stories. As of 2022, Facebook stories were only allowed videos up to 20 seconds long. But don't worry, now we can upload a video longer than that. So what you need to do is open Facebook, simply click on add to your story, allow full access, and let's go to video and let's search for a video that is longer than 20 seconds. So let us keep this one selected. You can also split this video if you want smaller video, but if you want longer videos, you can simply click on it and click on done and click on share. And that's all there is to it. You now know how to share longer videos on Facebook.